Hey, to change keyboard theme on the Galaxy M34 5G, first you have to go to the settings. From here, scroll down, go to the general management. Now open Samsung keyboard settings and scroll until you locate theme. So here we've got light, solid light, dark, and also the solid dark. But if you want to get like completely custom theme, you will have to open the settings one more time. And from here you will have to move into the themes. Now you will be moved into the Galaxy themes, and from here when you change the theme of your device, so let's say that I want to get some free theme like this one. As you can see here, I have the preview now of the theme that is going to be set up. The same for this one. So as you can see, with this one, for example, we can actually completely change the theme of our keyboard. And all you have to do is just actually download it and then set up. And that's it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.